Huh, look at that sunshine. Still cold. I bet it ain't even 40 degrees yet. Packing up. We are packed up. Gear on. Still a little cool, but the sun is shining. We just got to get out of these trees. Stuff's on. Geared up. Ready to go. We're going to hit the road, head towards Rocky Springs again.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street.
McDonald's is the lunch of champions. Home sweet home for tonight.
Just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
Smoked McDonald's cheeseburgers. That's what's on the menu for tonight. Busy place. Morning of day 6, Rocky Springs Campground. We're packing up. Slept pretty well. It was 54, 52 degrees out. Pretty nice. A lot of people here today. A lot of bikers on a assisted tour here today. A lot of campers here today. Big rigs, as you can see behind me. Big rigs. We're boiling some water because the water looked pretty rough this morning.
Pretty janky.
So just to be safe, we're going to boil it because we don't have a Sawyer Mini. Next on the list. Other than that, we're going to load up. We've got about 46 miles.
Something like that.
44, 46, somewhere in there to get back to the car today. So should be a good day.
I work hard
On the move.
every day. Don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time.
Guys are having some armadillo for breakfast.
Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright.
Back where we started. Yeehaw! Good news is the car is still there. I make my wife happy. It's good to be here. It just looks so naked now.
Yeah.
Throw all the junk in the back, and then you got a naked bike.